the elevators here at the BART and Muni parking structure here in Dublin, California. Wow, look at how far apart all of the elevators are. Why is it looks like they were gonna have a set of 6 here, but they only have 4. Wait, you know what? Wait, hold on. We gotta go this way. I don't feel safe riding with them.
I didn't feel safe.
Yep.
Good. I'm glad I got the same instinct.
Yep. They look sketchy,
They
you know?
look sketchy. We don't know.
Hello.
Whoa, damn, that's good.
Hey, these look pretty fast. What kind of elevators are these?
You see how much muscle those guys have?
Yeah. Alright, let's look out the window.
If you see this.
Are they up there? Probably like one of those people that are gonna do skateboards all the way down. Wanna try getting another one? Cool. Send you up. Oh yeah, there's GAL up there. Focus, bitch. There we go. Off you go. Oh, it's that one again. Huh. Alright. Nothing like riding some BART elevators at 10 at night. Oh wow, this one sounds great. These are old generic elevators, I think. I don't think these are anything. These look like just KONEs. They're very fast though, very efficient. Cool. Alright. Pretty neat. What'd you think? Pretty cool?
Pretty cool.